Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by checking compatibility. Confirm your iPad model and iOS version because Smart Connector versus Bluetooth matters. Once done, power your smart keyboard and charge it to at least 20% so pairing won't fail mid-step. Align the keyboard magnets to the iPad edge, feel the click, and attach firmly. Make sure Bluetooth is on if using wireless mode. You're beginning the physical and software handshake now. This prevents wasted retries and speeds up the next steps. Now focus on pairing and configuration so everything communicates correctly. If the keyboard uses Bluetooth, open Settings, tap Bluetooth and put the keyboard into pairing mode. When you see the device name, tap to connect. If it uses the Smart Connector, attach it and go to General Keyboard to verify recognition. When prompted to enter a code, type precisely and press Enter. Make sure layout, function keys, and modifiers work. This verifies proper mapping and avoids surprises during use. Finish by testing core functions. Type a paragraph, use shortcuts, and check backlight or function row behavior so you know it's reliable. If things go wrong, restart the iPad and keyboard first. Once done, try forgetting the device in Bluetooth settings and repair. If problems persist, inspect Smart Connector pins for dirt, clean gently, and try the keyboard on another iPad to isolate hardware versus software faults. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting both devices fixes most connectivity glitches immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.